If you bought a house 2 years ago, this probably wasn't possible. Today, many buyers in Northwest Arkansas have something they haven't had in a while: real negotiating power. As inventory has increased across Benton County, the market has become more balanced. That means sellers are often more willing to negotiate to get a deal to the closing table. Here are 4 things buyers should consider asking for. First, closing costs. Many sellers are once again helping buyers reduce their out-of-pocket expenses at closing. Second, repair requests. After inspections, buyers have a stronger position to request repairs or negotiate credits instead of accepting everything as is. Third, rate buydowns. With mortgage rates still higher than many buyers would like, some sellers are contributing toward interest rate buydowns to make monthly payments more affordable. And fourth, flexible closing dates. Need extra time to move or want to close quickly? More sellers are willing to work with your schedule than they were during the peak sellers market. Every home and every negotiation is different, but today's market is creating opportunities that simply weren't available a couple of years ago. If you're thinking about buying in Northwest Arkansas, let's build a strategy that helps you take advantage of today's market conditions. Visit jimmcdonoughrealtor.com or send me a message and let's talk about your home buying goals. I'm Jim McDonough, helping you move forward with confidence.